open, save, interface, create slide, copy, paste, transition, animation, download, share, in the Google Slide. 1. What's a Google Slides? The Google Slide is an app of the Google that support you create the slide to presentation at school, company, or organization. 2. Open Google Slide. First, open the Chrome. Next, you need complete the Google account. And after click App button. Scroll down and click Open Slides app. Next, click New Presentation to create your slides. 3. How to save file name in slides. Look at the left side and click Inbox. After enter your file name. And click on Slide to left and Save File Auto. 4. Introduction of the interface. If you want to write the text, you just click Inbox and write. Next, if you need to zoom in or out, you just click on this button and set to resize. And after, look at the right side. This is a theme style of slide. You can choose any style which you want to set. And if you click on this button, is mean that hide or unhide the slide. Next, if you want to make slide to presentation, click View tab. And click Slideshow. And leave, just press Escape button. And the last one, if you want to download file, you need to click on File. Click Download button. And click Microsoft PowerPoint file. This is a file after download. Click here to open file. OK, with the number 4 is finish. 5. How to create and change layout slides. This is slide and default only one show at the left side. And if you want to write text and show on slide, you just click Inbox. And write text which you want to display. Next, click I need create a second slide. So, I just click on this button and I got a new slide. On this slide I write to show the contents. After, create a new slide. I click this button again. Okay, I had a new slide, but I want to change layout of this slide. So, I just click on this button. Now, I write to show the first content. If you want to delete any slide, you just click on slide and right-click. After, choose Delete. Okay, slide deleted. And next, click Insert second slide. And the last slide I choose this style. In box I add question and answer. Okay, you can click View and Slide show your slide. Okay, with Create Slide is done. 6. Insert picture. This is an example picture. Now I delete this picture. Next, click New tab. Type the word to search. Click on Picture. Right-click. Choose Copy Image. Back to Slides. And right-click. After, click on Paste option. If you want to resize a picture, you just click on this button and (7) Edit texts. Make the text bold or italic. First, select the text in text box. And click Set Bold. And click on this button for Adjust Italic. Next, change text color. I just select the text and click Font Color. OK, text changed color. And after, make the text center. I select the text and click Align Center. And the last one is fill color. I click on text box and click fill color. OK, color had fill in the box. 8. Change background color. OK, if you want to change background, you just click to choose slide, and click on background. Click choose color, and click done. OK, we see that only the top slide is change background. And if you want to other slide set all background, you just click on background, and click add to theme. Now, with change background color is done. 9. Change theme. Theme is style of slide which you want design make your slide is better. OK, if need to preset you just click on theme button. And at the right side scroll to select theme styles. So, I like this theme style. OK, theme will change after you choose. And if you want to remove theme, you just scroll to the top. And click the first default of style. OK, with change theme is finish. 10. Copy and paste. In this example I want to copy the text box and picture paste the next slide. So, I click on text box and right click. After, choose copy. And if you want to show you just right click on slide, and choose paste. Anyway, if you want to use the shortcut key. So, you just click the text box and press Ctrl+C. And if you want to show, you just press key Ctrl+V. OK, the outcome the same. Next, with copy image the same. Click on picture. Press Ctrl+C. And press Ctrl+V to show picture. Create the transition. Slide transitions are the animation-like effects that happen when you move from one slide to the next during a presentation. This is an example. If we want to preset we just click to choose slide. And click on transition button. After, look at the right side. Click on this button to choose style of the transition. And click play to test slide. Finish, click stop. And with the next slide you can set the same transition. Next, if you want to apply all slide, you just click on this button to arrange all slide. Next, slideshow to test transition. Click on view and click slideshow. And left click to show next slide. So, if you want to remove transition, you just click to choose slide. And click on transition button. And choose none. And click on apply all slide. OK, the transition removes from all slides. With, the transition is done. 12. Create the animation. Animation is effect that makes the text or picture show up during presentation. OK, this is an example. Now, if you want to set you need to click transition. Next, click text box. And click add animation. After, choose style of the animation. This button used to set the duration. And next text box you set the same. Click on the text box. After, click on add animation. And click style. And the last one set the same. Now I click to close animation. And click on view and choose slideshow to test animation. Okay, we see that text box and picture has set animation. Next step, if you want to edit, click on this button and click animation. And click this button to change style animation. So, if you want to remove, you just click delete button. Okay, all the animation deleted from text box and picture. If you want to make a copy file, first, you click on File, and click on Make a Copy button. Remove text in box. After, enter your file name. And click Make Copy is done. So, you can edit a new file. How to download file. If you need to download file, you just click on File, and click on Download, and choose types of file. So, I choose PowerPoint file. After, click on this button to view your file after download. Okay, download file is finished. 15. Share file. If you want to share file to other people, click on Share button. And after will show you with small dialog box. First box, enter your email while you want to share. And click on this button to allow a permission. I choose editor because I give them process with this file. And you can write the message in box. Finish, click on send. So, with share file completed. Finally, with 15 points in this video is done. Paste. Thank you for your lovely sharing. From ICT Share.